guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Bath & Body Works holiday haul, which I am so excited about. As you guys know, I am mainly a spooky lifestyle account, but here comes the lifestyle part of it. I do love the holidays too. I love the Halloween scents at Bath & Body Works, but I live for the Christmas scents at Bath & Body Works. So let's jump straight into the candles. There's a lot to unload here, so we're gonna start there. And yeah, let's go. First of all, the bags this year are so cute. I love it. Little red, little green. So I will say that anytime I go to Bath & Body Works, I never pay full price. I always go when I have a coupon or there's a sale. The day that I went, candles were buy one, get one free, and I had a 25% discount coupon, and I had a free item of my choice, and I had a free body care item of my choice. So it's gonna look like a lot, but just know I didn't pay a ton for all of this. Okay, we are going to start with my absolute favorite scent, Twisted Peppermint. Like, every single year it gets me. I buy this one every single year. The packaging this year is so cute. I just love all the pinks and purples this year for this. I love how these are like a little iridescent-y, and oh, a dream. The notes for Twisted Peppermint, obviously it smells very much like Twisted. It smells very much like peppermint. So the notes are cool peppermint, sugared snow, fresh balsam, and vanilla buttercream with a hint of musk. So, oh, I just love it. It's that balsam with the peppermint that just makes it top tier. Next up, from the White Barn collection, we have the Perfect Christmas. Now, I am obsessed with this packaging as well. I'm a sucker for a berry tone with gold accents. And this one to me really does smell like the perfect Christmas, because you get a little bit of the tree smell, but you also get like the cinnamon kind of baking thing in there too. Fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, toasted marshmallow. I can smell all of that. It is honestly amazing. This is the first time I've ever had this one. I actually don't know if this is new this year. I'm not an expert, so don't listen to me. I got this next one. This isn't typically one that I would gravitate towards, but I love peppermint anything, and I saw peppermint hot chocolate and I was like, I love chocolate. And it smells exactly like peppermint hot chocolate. Like, there's no denying that is what it smells like. I have not burned any of these yet, so I will be interested to see, especially with this one, how it smells like once there's that smokiness from the flame. Oh, so this had a very minty kind of look to it this year. It looks very frosty. And the lid on this one is really cool with the snowflake pattern. And the notes for the peppermint hot chocolate are sweet peppermint, silky milk chocolate, and sweet cream. So again, I am so excited to light this one. I had my dad smell this when I got this, and he was like, "Ooh," and I'm like, dramatic. And for my fourth candle, I picked up Fireside. I love marshmallow Fireside, but this, it just smells like a fireplace, like, and not even one that the fire's going. That sounds really weird to say, but oh, it just smells like a fireplace. Like if you were to go to someone's home and the fire wasn't lit and you stuck your head in and you said, that's what this smells like. So this one has notes of smoked cedar, fresh clove bud, warm embers. So like I said, if you like marshmallow Fireside, you might like this one. It doesn't have the sweet scent of the marshmallow, obviously. Again, I can't wait to light this one and have that like smokiness from the flame kind of mixed in. I love how clean yet sparkly the packaging is for this. And the lid, oh, it's not even picking up on the iridescent as much. It is so beautiful. So this one was a little more expensive. This one retails for $30, and I think it is because of this lid. Okay, I do have two candle pedestals to show you. This I had been searching for. It was top of my list. There are 4, I think it's the red, green, blue, and a clear white. And I just am obsessed with like vintage glassware, and this is what that kind of reminds me of. Like, that is so cute. If you had a red candle, it would look really good. My perfect Christmas is more of a berry, so it might be what I put on here, but I kind of just love just the white and the red. This also is really cool because they have designed it so that you could fit a single wick candle in here as well without it sliding all around. And this retails for $19.95. Now this next pedestal is actually not mine. I picked it up for a friend. She had been looking for it, but it is the pink flocked Santa. I thought he was a gnome, but apparently he's Santa because on the website it says Santa. But I messaged her and I was like, Robin, do you need the pink gnome? She's like, yes. So anyways, it is a flocked pink Santa and it is just so cute. This also comes in a red and a green, but obviously the pink is very cool and very much her style, so I'm excited to send this to her. This retails for $34.95. How cute is that? Stop, that is very cute. Also, I did want to note that this dress, I will show you a picture of it here, is from Francesca's. It is what I'm going to wear for Thanksgiving, and it is velvety, and it's just, it's what dreams are made of. So this next item was the one that I chose as my item of my choice for free. My friend Jess, if you guys follow her on Instagram or YouTube, if you don't, you should. Her handle is Pumpkin and Gray, and she got this, it's technically a cosmetics bag, but it does have inside a little red handle, and I am going to wear it as a crossbody in the month of December just for something kind of festive. I don't know that my phone will fit in it, but it is so cute to hold my keys, my wallet, anything like that, but I just love this. This retails for $15.95, and I just think it's so cute. I am very much a red or green person, so this next one was a must. I got this wallflower, and it is a flocked nutcracker, and he is just very cute. So he doesn't light up or anything. Obviously, with this being very opaque, there would be no light unless it was behind him, but I just love this red. I love all the flocked items this year. So for wallflowers, obviously I got 2 of my fave, Twisted Peppermint, and I love these. I will pop one of these in as soon as I can. I typically like to wait until like right after Thanksgiving for Twisted Peppermint because it is very Christmassy. I did get Smoked Vanilla and Whiskey. This was a new scent to me, and it is really, really good. Then I got Cinnamon and Clove Buds. This one's honestly gonna look so good with the wallflower because it is red. And then of course I had to do Fresh Balsam because, I mean, it literally is like the perfect Christmas tree scent. You feel like you just picked up a fresh tree from the tree farm every time you put this in or light the candle. My mom got the candle this year, so I might go back and get it, but I thought I would be okay with the wallflower for now. Then for my free body care item, I got Into the Night. When I was in Salem in October, Corinne had the body spray version of this and I was obsessed. So I'll probably end up going back to get the spray, but I love a good shower gel, and this just, ooh, I love it. It is, let me see if it's got the notes on here. Raspberry Noir, Amber Crystals, Velvety Rose Petals, Creamy Patchouli, and a Mocha Musk. That was tough to say. I also really love the aesthetic of this label with the stars on it. I just think it's super pretty. Very dark aesthetic, which is my aesthetic, but this one smells amazing. Then you guys knew I had to get a Twisted Peppermint hand cream. Again, with the pinks and purples this year, I just love this. This is super moisturizing. Honestly, I'll probably throw it in my peppermint bag and we'll just be fully committed to the smell. And then last but not least, I got a couple car fragrances and I got a little car fragrance holder. I don't know what you actually call this. I will insert a photo of that here because it is in my car. I was like, immediately put it in there, and it's like super cold today, so I don't want to run outside and get it. But it is so cute because it is like blue and snowflakes, and it's just very wintry, and it's something that I can use all throughout winter instead of just for the Christmas season. So right now in the car I have 'Tis the Season. My little visor clip was $8.50. I'm sorry, I haven't told you the price on everything. Body fragrance, shower wash, $13.50, and the little hand cream is $8.50. Again, you know, a lot of this stuff I got for free because it's like if you don't have the app, you are not living your life right, because they be sending those coupons all the time. Anyways, 'Tis the Season. These were 3 for $10, I think. They're normally $4.50. So I also got, surprise and shocker, Twisted Peppermint, because duh, I will not get tired of that smell either. And then I got Fresh Balsam. Balsam. I don't know. Okay, I think that about wraps it up. I like made out like a bandit in that sale, and honestly I think the buy one get one free candle on top of the 25% off made the candles, with the exception of the $30 one, I think it made them like $9, which, if my math is correct, is actually better than the giant sale that's coming up. So anyways, these are some of my favorite things that I got. I want to know down below what are some of your favorite things that you got from Bath & Body Works this year. If you have some smells that I need to try, scents I guess I should say, let me know down below, because you know, your girl be burning candles at night and I kind of go through them quick. I do need to get Marshmallow Fireside because that one is so good, but I wanted a couple that, you know, with the exception of Twisted Peppermint, that I didn't normally have, and to give myself a little something different. So that is it. Holy smokes, that's it. If you guys like watching videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Join my corner of the internet. I would love to have you guys. I mix spooky videos in kind of throughout, but I also mix in fun little Christmas videos like this. I am kind of rebranding my channel to be more lifestyle than just spooky lifestyle, because as much as I love spooky things, there is only so much I can talk about in the year before you guys are like, okay, we get it, talk about it in October. I will be doing some, I like have some ideas of things that I want to do that I can incorporate a little spooky vibe in, but we are going to be more lifestyle on this channel. You can follow my Instagram. It is spooky all year, so you get your spooky fix if you're one of those little ghoulies. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys next week.